How to change Botim number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Botim app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on account settings in here. After you click on account settings, you'll find my number. Simply click on my number and you will be able to edit your number and then add a new number. After you add a new number, code will be sent to your new phone number. Simply paste the code and you're good to go. This is how to change Botim number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.